Today, let's extend a minor arpeggio progression over the octave, and we'll also work out how to work out our fingering when we're playing arpeggios. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. I'm doing a special video series all about arpeggios. So let's have a play of a minor progression and extend it today over to an octave arpeggio pattern. So let's begin with the left hand. We'll start on our pinky and we're going to play A, C, E and A and back down again. Let's do that a couple of times and get it comfortable. And then we can add the right hand as well. So fingers 1, 2, 3, pinky, back down, and again. Let's do it together. So let's let our wrist just bring us up to the top octave there. Let's change the notes now to a D and an F in the middle. So from our A, D, F. So fingers 1, 2 and 4 in your right hand there. When that's feeling comfy, we can go to B, E and G sharp. Then back down to A, D and F. Keep that wrist just swiveling around, lining up each finger there onto the keys. And then back to our C pattern. And again. So let's play it all together in a row now, joining the 4 chords of our A minor, D minor, E pattern, starting on our B note, back to our D minor, and then our A minor to finish. Here we go. And again. So a way to double check that we're using correct fingering and fingering that's also going to be safe and comfortable to use is to block the chords over the octave. If you've got a small hand, then you might not do the full octave all at once. So keep just playing slowly your arpeggios, rotating your wrist to line up your finger in line with where we're traveling there. If your hand is large enough to comfortably open to the octave, then what we can do is that we can block the notes right together and see which finger is going to be more comfortable on the keys. So our 5, our 2 and our 1 all line up directly, but here in this situation we might want to use our 4th finger because it's the most comfortable and in line there with our C. If we go to the 3rd finger, you can see that I've sort of got to twist my finger out of line to actually play the C there. So in this situation, you choose your 4th finger down in your left hand. In the right hand, we have a A, C, E and A here. Once again, we can block it together. If I was to do my 4th finger on the E, you could see that it would have to really pull out of line and it would be quite hard and awkward to do. So in the right hand, we're just going to use our 1, 2, 3 and 5 to play the arpeggio. Let go of your thumb if you have small hands as well. And once again, don't worry about the blocking if you have smaller hands. But as you can see, if your hands can open, you can see that the fingering of 1, 2, 3 and 5 would be the most natural in for that chord. Continuing on to our D minor chord, it's actually an inversion there. We've switched around. Instead of playing a D down here, we're playing a D in an inversion or a cartwheel format. Once again, if we block together, you can see that we have 5, 3, 2 in your left hand for the fingering, 1, 2, 4, 5 in the right hand there. The E chord, it will be the same again. 5, 3, 2 steps up, 1, 2, 4 in your right hand to play the E inversion. Back to the D minor inversion, 5, 3, 2 in your left hand, 1, 2, 4 in your right hand, and then our 5, 4 in our left hand takes over with the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 5 for your right hand. Let's play our progression through all again, and let's just repeat each chord change twice to create a little piece today. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's have a go at speeding it up a little bit, because as well as beautiful minor arpeggios, faster arpeggios are also sound amazing as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, thanks for joining me today, and have a great time playing with arpeggios this week.